Hello my friends. I'm going to be using my 3-section split cup today, and I'm using all Artist Loft colors, black, silver, and gold. I have a little bit left over from a previous thing, some bronze, which I might sandwich in between the black. I'm just going to fill up one chamber with silver, gold, one with silver, and black in the center. So let's get to it. I'm using my Polycrylic mix, which I will detail down below, the recipe, and a link to how I mix a big batch of it. I find it works really well for ring pours and ribbon pours and anything you want to really keep crisp lines on. Okay, that's pretty much that. The middle chamber is a little bigger than the sides, so I've mixed a little more black. That's pretty even. And then I have a little leftover bronze. Did I just say that? I don't recall. I'm going to sandwich that in between the black, just to help me fill up the volume of this large center chamber. This bronze was left over from a previous pour, and it was the same mix, same polycrylic mix, so shouldn't be a problem. Come on, let's hope I get close. And I think I did. I'd say that's pretty level. If anything, I'm going to try to scoop a little more of the gold in there. I just want them as level as possible, so when I start pouring them out, they'll come out at the same time. So I think that looks pretty good. Let me grab my turntable and canvas. Sure that's viewable. It is. And here we go. It's going to be kind of a traveling pour, I think. Maybe I'll just start in the middle with a big black dot. There's some silver and gold. Good. Reverse. Oh, there's the bronze coming through a little bit. That's nice. I think I need to travel it a little bit to make it interesting, so let's come over here a bit. Not really taking advantage of the turntable very much, but that's okay. I like what's happening in the center there. Okay, move this out of the way. Okay, got a little bit. I think it's plenty. Okay, and here we go. I'm really glad I added that. It added a lot of interest. If I just continued in the center, I don't think I would have liked it as much. So hope I don't lose it though. I do love that feathery looking thing. Isn't that pretty? I wonder if I have any. There's a little bit left, like a teaspoonful. Let's pour it out here. I thought, yeah, not enough to make you wait for it. I'm going to save a good portion of that. Okay, what does it look like? I'm not a really a resin fan for a number of reasons, but this would be a piece that would look good resined, I think. I'll make that reach the edge. I love the sides, look at that. I think I'm done. Reminds me of something, I just can't put my finger on it. And I better not put my finger on it, literally. Oh, I like that area right there. How did that happen? Where the bronze kind of went over the gold. I wonder, do I have any, what do I have left? Let me take my gloves off. It's not very exciting. I have some metallic black left over from that long, narrow canvas I recently did. That's gone. I'm going to run some lines over it. It's interesting, but it needs help. So let's do some skinny lines. I might do a whole bunch of them, my friends. We'll see. I know, I can hear half of you saying, stop. The other half are saying, go, go, go. And those are the ones I'm listening to. Oops. I'm running out. I should stop. See, when it stops and starts, it's impossible to, you know, correct. I wouldn't want to try to correct that piece there, but I think that added a lot of interest, personally. And I used up some paint. Well, let's take a little closer look. And of course, when that dries, it's a very, very pretty gold. Wet, it looks a little orangey. But when it dries, it's beautiful. Old gold, it's called. And little hints of the bronze there on the black. It's kind of fun. Kind of, I guess it's Halloween looking to me. Maybe I'll save it till closer to Halloween and put some bats on there. That's what it looks like. Okay, my friends. This was kind of a bonus. I was using up some paint and thought I'd throw in one extra video this weekend. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.